Hello, I'm James, the founder and CEO of Green Fuels. Green Fuels is a pioneer in renewable fuels. In fact, I founded the company back in 2003 for a personal desire to move away from fossil carbon and run my own vehicle on a carbon neutral fuel. Roll forward 17 years, and we have supplied biofuel equipment with a total capacity of more than 420 million litres a year to customers in over 80 countries, offsetting a staggering 6.5 million tonnes of CO2 equivalent to date. We hold a royal warrant for our long-term supply of sustainable biofuel to His Royal Highness the Prince of Wales, and this year we're opening our own fuel production facilities on 3 continents, partnering with local waste collectors to ensure a sustainable feedstock supply. This brings us to now. So back in March, I was working on our projects in India just as the first cases started to be detected. During April, India imposed the world's largest lockdown of 1.3 billion people, and depressingly to date, cases have surged to over 2.8 million with more than 50,000 deaths. In our specific industry, it was plain to see how existing systems for waste collection are incompatible with social distancing, lockdowns or curfews, involving many empty journeys, extensive contact between individuals, cash transactions and the use of ad hoc containers that are non-disinfectable and carry the risk of virus transmission. Conversely, abandonment of collection systems during the outbreak raises the risk of waste accumulation, with problems of vermin, food contamination, secondary disease outbreaks, and in the case of waste cooking oil, the specific threat is that the oil will be retained in the human food chain after it has reached toxic condition through overuse. To tackle this, we set about designing software and hardware solutions that go well beyond the current state of the art in hygiene, efficiency and traceability, suitable for developing country cities under or emerging from lockdown. Relevant today, but will have a lasting benefit way beyond the current pandemic context. This includes software allowing transition from a round where collectors visit every supplier on a speculative basis to an on-demand system where suppliers call in the collection as and when needed, and using phone payments to suppliers rather than cash. We've designed novel hardware collection vessels that provide traceability, that are easily disinfectable, that could be left with suppliers for filling, allowing subsequent collection without human interaction. This funding will allow us to accelerate this development and enable us to test in a live environment within India, deploying the technology into an already established collection network of over 16,000 supply nodes. The project outcomes will be directly applicable to our future plans in India and beyond, providing sustainable feedstock to our expanding network of sustainable biorefineries in India, Asia, Latin America and the Middle East. So if I could ask for 3 areas of support, these would be any introductions to aligned investors or partners in key regions where we're expanding, so within India, Asia, Latin America and the Middle East. Any contacts at Indian food processors, restaurant chains and other outlets keen to valorise their waste and improve their sustainability credentials. Key contacts at Barclays, a commercial bank that could help us with UK export finance products. Also, I would truly like to thank both Barclays and Unreasonable for the amazing support, not only with this project, but their ongoing support to myself and Green Fuels over the past 3 years. You're really making a difference, enabling Green Fuels to tackle climate change at scale. Thank you so much, and please reach out if you would like to learn more.